landing 80. Decima traffic 8309, turning short 5, runway 5, Decima. I think the power's about right here. See, we'll lose a little bit in the turn. Winds are from the right, so if we turn, we'll crab into it. Like this, and keep the drift in. Keep it lined up. Power off. Hold it off. Degrees. Decima traffic 8309, touch and go, runway 5, decimal. Flaps off. 2525. Maybe I'll do one more and then we'll buzz around to Shelby County. How's that?
Decimal traffic, Skyhawk 4160 Papa is 7 north of the airport. We'll be entering the downwind